पुलिस भवन में राज्य कमांडांट को तृतीय वार्षिक सम्मेलन उद्घाटन होइछे। पुलिस डीजी बीके शर्मा यह कार्यक्रम को उद्घाटन करिसेंती। आईन श्रृंखला परिस्थिति को नियंत्रण करिबारे कमांडांट को भूमिका बेस गुरुत्वपूर्ण। राज्य में मोट 23टी कमांडांट संस्था रही, जेथिरु 2टी रे तालीम प्रदान करा जाउछि। जणे कमांडांट को अधीन रे 1000 रु अधिक सिपाही काम करती। ए संपर्क में अधिक सूचना देवाई आम सहित सीधासख जोड़ी प्रतिनिधि नीरद पट्टनायक। नीरद, राज्य कमांडांट को तृतीय वार्षिक सम्मेलन बर्तमान दृश्य किभली देखुंत?
देखो वर्तमान पुलिस भवन में जी रही पुलिस डीजी विजय कुमार शर्मा यही सम्मेलन को उद्घाटन कर सबुठ बड़ कथा हूँ आज गोटे ई सिस्टम को उद्घाटन कर पुलिस डीजी जहाँ अधीन मालकानगिरी, कटक, खोर्धा, ढेंकानाल और राउरकेला को सामिल करा जाइए। यही 6टी जो कमांडांट सेंटर रही से सेंटर रे ई सिस्टम को लागू कराला आज जार उद्घाटन करछंती पुलिस डीजी विजय कुमार शर्मा। एवं कैमरा पर्सन दुर्गा को कहबी टे देखापी भीतर दृश्य जो माने वर्तमान वरिष्ठ आईपीएस अफसर माने एटारे उपस्थित रही एवं ता सहित जो विभिन्न प्रकार कार्य रही से कार्यशैली रे किभली आगु को नबाकू पड़िबो से संपर्क में वर्तमान डीजी सूचना देखते।
Dear friends from the media and ministerial officers from the SAP battalions. Now, as has already been said, the armed police is an absolutely critical component of Odisha police. They play a very important role, whether it is Naxalite management, whether it is law and order, whether it is disaster response, whether it is security of VIPs. Numerically, they are 1/3 of Odisha police, starting from 7 battalions. When I came into the service, there were 7 battalions, of which one battalion, 1st battalion, was permanently deployed in ARC Charvatia. 5th battalion was non-existent, and there were only 5 battalions, including 2nd battalion of Gurkha. Now today there are 23 battalions, and their strength is approximately 24,000-25,000 whatever, and they are 1/3 of Odisha police. So numerically they are important, but much more than numerically, their contribution to Odisha police is very important. The way they assist the civil police in day-to-day maintenance of law and order. I find many of them even assisting civil police in crime detection, in crime prevention. If there is a blocking, you deploy SAP personnel in undertaking blocking. So there is no way that one can underestimate their role and significance in the overall scenario of Odisha police role and responsibility. And with a view to establish a better connect with them, listen to their problems and grievances, and know many of them personally, because it is possible that for a DGP it is difficult to know each one of you personally. So today the whole day shall be devoted only to listen to you, only to interact with you, understand your problems better. So I would urge each one of you to be absolutely free and frank in ventilating your grievances and giving your suggestions. This is one way of us communicating to you that you are important. You should not feel that you are not given the kind of treatment that the district superintendents of police get. For us, you are equally important. For us, you are no less than a district superintendent of police. They discharge a particular kind of responsibility, you discharge a different kind of responsibility. But both the responsibilities are equally critical and equally significant for us. From next month onwards, when there is a regular monthly video conferencing with the district SSPs, which I do every month, to discuss about various issues including staff matters and administrative matters, the commandant of the battalion located in the district would also sit with the district SP and interact with me and other senior officers. Now in the entire gamut of things, the commandant, deputy commandant and the assistant commandants are very important and very significant persons. They are the ones who play a critical role, whether it is discipline, whether it is training, whether it is equipment, whether it is tactics. For everything, the commandants, the sepoy of a battalion looks up to the commandant because he expects the commandant to be professionally superior. He expects the commandant to guide him, to train him. to tell him how to undertake jungle warfare, to tell him how to undertake an Naxalite operation. So the commandant has to be professionally superior and professionally competent. He has to continuously upgrade his technical and professional skills. Now today is a day of introspection to find out whether we are doing it. Are we really doing it? Are we really becoming professionally more sound with more years of service, or we are becoming more rigid and more obstinate with more years of service? Gone are the days of the British time where armed battalions were considered to be citadels of unrealistic discipline. Paper weight ta 18 or jodi 80 rahi gala, it will be considered to be a breach of discipline. Gone are those days. Your sepoys are very well qualified. 10th class is their educational qualification, but many of them are professionally trained. In fact, I am getting some of them to our office and to other offices. Mu dekhichi tankar computer knowledge bahut bhala. They are technologically advanced, more advanced than many of senior officers in the battalion.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद निरद आपण समस्त सूचना रत्न प्रतिनिधि निरद पट्टनायक जी के सूचना दूसरे जे कमांडांट कि भाव में उत्सव पालन कमांडांट जो स्थान रही देश कथा कहतु राज्य कथा कहतु कारण जो भाव में बर्तमान गोटे पटे दुर्बृत्त मैंने सक्रिय होती नक्सल मैंने सक्रिय होती कि भाव में से मात दि जापर से दिगरे प्रयास करा क्षेत्र में यह कार्यक्रम अनेक गुरुत्व बहन करुच्ची।